I'm Pierce Cameron with Exterior Recovery, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through a couple deck remodels that we've completed in the last couple weeks. We have these stairs extend around the perimeter of the deck. In order to get an open layout and maximize the views behind us, what we did is we kept the deck high and allowed the stairs to waterfall down to the rest of the backyard. So behind me here on the side of the deck, we didn't want any of the framing structure to show. So what we did is we ended up using matching fascia board to cover this area right behind me here. Here at Exterior Recovery, how we fasten our top decking boards is with hidden camo fasteners. This means you, the homeowner, are not going to see any screws on top of those brand new decking boards. We are at another deck project that we recently completed here at Exterior Recovery, and the unique thing about this deck is the homeowner had the exact plans of the layout for the deck that they wanted, and we were able to come in with our crew and make those plans come true. With most of our decks that we do over here at Exterior Recovery, we have a nice border around the outside of the actual deck itself. We transform what used to be a 150 square foot unstable deck into this absolutely massive 600 square foot wraparound deck. Along with the second story deck remodel we did at this home, we poured a new concrete slab right here underneath me, and we poured new concrete steps that lead all the way up to the front of the house. So if you're looking to create the outdoor deck of your dreams, give us a call today at Exterior Recovery.